Hello and welcome to Draw with Mr. James. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. Great film, great character, a lot of fun to draw. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyes like I like to do. So I'm going to put my finger in the middle where my corners of my eyes are going to be. I'm going to do a dot on one side and a dot on the other, just so I know where to start. Oh, I've got dirty hands, I've left a little bit of a mark there. So. And then we're going to go up to the top corner up there. Same on the other side, we're going to go up to here, I think. Curve it around. Okay, those are the top eyelids. And then to do the bottom part, we're going to go step in and then curve down. So step in from the out. I'm covering it up there. Step in from the outside and curve down. So step in and curve down. Step in and curve down to meet the corners. Next is the pupils, so I'm going to do a circle on the inside, and again, circle on the inside. And he almost looks a little bit cross-eyed at the moment, so I'm going to give him some reflection marks. I'm going to do a big one up in this corner, and this one here. This side, I'm going to do a big one here, this one here, okay, and then colour those in. Okay, so there's our eyes. Next we're going to do the bottom of the face, so I'm going to curve around just from kind of the corner part, the corner curved part of the eye. So I'm going to curve around to about here, and same on this side, curve round to a bit, almost like a little bit of a point. It's kind of got like a little bit of a lip. Next is a nose, so I'm going to do like a little upturned nose with two nostrils. Okay, then we're going to do the kind of thin parts that come out from his face. So they kind of come out to about here. They're kind of like two leaf shapes. Okay, and go up a little bit, and this one's a bit bigger and comes up. Okay, same on the other side. So we do our leafy shape. We go up a little bit, and we curve up and out on top. Okay, so there's our whiskery parts. And next we're going to do the ears, so we're going to curve up slightly, and we're going to overlap a little bit here, so we're going to go out and up, and then right down. Same on this side, we're going to curve up here, and then we're going to go out of that. Oops, I slipped a little bit there, that's alright. Not too bad. And curve down. Got a bit of a wonky ear, but that's okay. And then we'll curve around the top. Okay, so mine's got a bit of a dodgy ear, but that's alright. Then we've got the little horns on top, so curve in. There's two of those, and then there's like a little Mohican line that goes down the middle. And these get smaller as they go. Okay, so there's our head. Next we need to do the body. So we're going to give him a neck first. So we're going to curve in slightly. For the neck, if we use the pupil as a bit of a guideline, so we're not going to come out over here, we're going to use the edge of the pupil to kind of mark out where our neck's going to go. And you want a little bit of a hint there. And then we're going to curve his legs down to meet in like a point in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to meet up these lines in a second. Other leg and round and stop there. And then I'm going to kind of curve these around a bit from the bottom of his feet. Okay, next we want to give him some legs there, a little fold for his armpits. And I'm going to give him some toes or claws, I guess. Okay, so he's kind of like sat with his paws in front, a bit like a cat. And next we want to do his back legs, so they're going to just come out and then curve round. And then give him some claws there. When you do the bottom of his feet, try and curve them so it kind of gives it that 3D effect. The next one comes out, curve round. Okay, and there's his legs, back legs. Next we want, obviously, no dragon's complete without wings, so we want to give him some wings. So we're going to do the kind of structure part of the wing first. Oh, my hands are disgusting, sorry. The structure part of his wing first, and then the kind of umbrella bit that goes underneath. So we're going to do the kind of arm part, and then join it up to his body, and then we're going to give him kind of three U shapes. So we go down, U, U, U. Okay, and then to join them up, we just do some lines meeting in the middle. Okay, so that's his one wing. It's the same for kind of bats as well, those kind of wings. So you go to the arm part of the wing, you go up and out. Again, you do the winglet parts. Okay, with the bit joined in the middle. Okay, there's his wings. Next I want to give him a little bit of a tail, so I'm just going to come round with his like the back, and on the end of his tail, it's kind of got like a little holly sort of shape things. So I'm going to go up, give him a bit of a holly leaf. Okay, and there's his tail. Next, just to finish him off, we're just going to give him some circles, this kind of bit of detail to kind of make it look a bit like scales. So to do that, we're going to do a medium size circle, a large circle, and a little circle. Okay, same on the other side. Medium, large, small. Okay, and same on his ears, we're going to do small, large, small. That one. Small, large, small. Okay, and there we have our little friend Toothless. So all that's left is to colour him in. I'm going to keep to the original colours that are in the film, but you can colour him in however you like to. You don't have to keep to those colours. You can make him rainbow coloured, you can make him any colour you want to. Hope you enjoyed this session of Drawing Mr. James. See you next time. Bye.